Most people can't tell the difference between color grading and color correction. And that is the reason why you see most photos today, some are just going to be blue, some are just going to be reddish, some are just going to be yellowish. I'm just going to call it that way. Most times it is over warm and it is too cold, which is not really making any sense. And the cause of that is we don't really understand the difference between color correction and color grading. This course is going to make you understand the difference between color correction and color grading. Not just understand the difference, you are going to understand how to color correct your photo and how you can color grade your photo. We're going to take you through the process of color correcting, understanding color correcting, how to color correct in Photoshop, to color grading, understanding color grading, and how you can color grade in Photoshop. Well, it's not just about how to color correct and how to color grade in Photoshop. You are going to understand the tools that you can use in Photoshop to color grade and color correct. Tools like the camera raw filters and the adjustment layers in Photoshop. We will even go as far as making use of some AI tools in Photoshop to speed up our color grading workflow. I'm really excited to be your instructor in this class. See you guys in the next lesson.